Hello everyone, my name is Komla, studying Science in Electronics and Communication in Sri Venkateshwara College. I am going to explain about low power VLSI design. Introduction to low power VLSI design. Low power VLSI design focused on minimum power consumption in integrated circuit. It is crucial for battery operation devices to enhance their performance and lifespan. This field integrated technology for circuit design, architecture, and software to achieve efficiency. Importance of low power consumption device. Low power low consumption directly affects to the thermal management of VLSI system. Low power consumption leads to increased device reliability and longevity. It has enhanced for portable device, IoT applications, and high-performance computing. Power consumption components. Dynamic power consumption occurs due to the charge and discharge the capacities load. Strategic power consumption is primarily due to the leakage current in transmissions. Understand those components in vital for developing efficient low power design strategies. Factors influencing power consumption. Supply voltage and frequency are key dynamic power. The technology node impacts leakage power due to the shorter channel length. Circuits circuit topology and design style also plays significant roles in power efficiency. Power voltage frequency trade-off. Lowering lowering the supply voltage significantly reduce power consumption. However, this can lead to performance degrading and increased delay. Designing must balance their trade-offs to meet application requirements. Technology for low power design. Voltage scaling is a common technique that reduces power without significant effective performance. Clock gate involves turning off the clock to inactive components, saving energy. Used for multi-threshold CMS MOS technology can help minimum leakage power efficiency. Dynamic voltage scale (DVS) adjusts to the supply voltage and frequency in response to workload demand. This technology can lead to significant power savings in mobile applications. Implementing DVS requires software hardware and software coordination. Power gate technology. Power gate involves shooting off power to proto off the chip that are not in use. This method efficiently reduces static power consumption due to ideal state. It requires carefully designed to avoid voltage drop that can affect active circuit. Multi-threshold MOS. MT-MOS technology utilizes transmission with different threshold voltage to optimize power. High threshold transmission reduces leakage, while low threshold transmission enhances performance. This hybrid approach also always offers dynamic power management in VLSI circuits. Clock gate technology. Clock gate disable the clock signal to portion of the circuit that is idle. This reduces dynamic power consumption due to operation efficiency in implementing can yield significant energy saving in component design. Asynchronous design technology. Asynchronous circuit can offer low power consumption compared to synchronous design. Their operation without the global clock, which which can reduce switching activity. Designing a synchronous system, however, position additionally complexity channels. Low power architecture design. Architecture decision plays a certain role in overall power consumption technically, such as data path optimization can lead to reduced energy usage. Integrated low power consumption into the architecture can enhance efficiency significantly. Energy efficient memory design. Memory access in a significant contributed to power consumption in VLSI system. Technical leads to optimization can reduce energy usage due to the data access. Specialized memory architecture can also yield substantial energy savings. Software level power management. Software Software plays a certain role in managing power consumption in VLSI design. Operations Operations in system can implement dynamic power management politics. Application level advertisement can help optimizing the overall energy usage. Future trends in low power VLSI design. Emergency technology such as optimized challenge computing may redefine power consumption paradigm. Advanced process mode continues to drive the needs to involve low power solution. The integrated of AI technology in designs automation is explored to enhance power efficiency. Challenges in low power design. According to low power while maintaining high performance remains a significant challenges. Leakage power continues to be a growth converting in advanced technology nodes. Balancing design complexing with power efficiency offered required trends of first. Cas Case studies in low power VLSI design. Variety case studies highlights successful low power design in industrial application. Real world example. Initially, the efficiency of different low power technology. Those insights can guide future designs towards improvement energy efficiencies. Conclusion. Low power VLSI design is essential for model electronic system, particular mobile device. A multi-performance approach including circuits, architecture and software technology is required. Ongoing research and development will future enhance the capacity of low power designs. Thank you for all watching my video.